Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss how to work on higher order functions. So basically we will try to see first what is higher order functions. Higher order functions are able to take function as an argument or it will able to return function as a result. Okay, we'll try to see how to define the higher order functions in practical. Now we will try to create object. Let's define some name and we will try to we will try to declare the main method box of string. Now we will try to take a method and within the method we will try to pass function as an argument. So we will try to calculate some mathematical calculation. Let's say we will try to pass two arguments. Let's say x is integer, let's say y is also integer, and now we will try to pass function. Now let's say f colon, and then we will try to pass integer type, okay, and implies, and return type of this function is also an integer, and return type of mathematical function is also an integer, equal to of, let's say, x comma y. Okay, now we will try to pass this well, let's say result equal to math. So we are taking math of, so we will pass parameters x, let's say 20, and y, let's say 30, and x comma y implies, let's say I want to sum of these two integers I want to calculate. Now let's try to print the result. Okay, so we'll try to see now what we are doing it here. So we have defined a method. Within it we are passing x and y parameters, and we are passing function as an argument, and within it we are passing return type is integer, function return type we are passing it an integer, and math function return type also integer which we are passing. Okay, and then we are taking up the values for the x and y, and then we are trying to do the sum of these two variables. Now we'll try to run and see the output of this. So it has given 50, 20 plus 30 equal to 50, it is given. Okay, now what else? If I want to do multiplication, just and run it. See, it's given 600, 20 into 30. What if I want to take up minimum value of variable, like the value, minimum value means 20, it should return minimum value. If I want to take max max value, then I have to pass the max function and then will wait. So 30 has written. Okay, so this is how we can able to use the arithmetic calculation, the way of declaration. And then we will try to see by passing one more parameter. Let's say x and y you have taken. Let's try to see, we will try to pass z as well. Okay, now we will try to pass f of f of x comma y comma z. Okay, so this is how we can declare it. Now we will try to pass one more value here, let's say 60. Okay, now we will try to take out the max value out of these three. See, it is 60. Let's try to do the summation of values. Let's say 60 plus 30 plus 20, 50, 110. Okay, now let's do the multiplication as well. See, 36,000. Okay, so this is how we can able to pass a third argument as well. This is how we can declare it. Okay, now we will try to see into different way also. Let's say if by giving underscore plus, so by giving this particular notation also, this can able to consider here it is one value and here it is another value. Let's say I am doing the summation. See, it has taken 110. It is calculated these three. If I want to calculate min, now we'll try to see the minimum value of out of this 20 is the minimum value. Okay, so this is how we can able to utilize the higher order functions. We can able to declare function as an argument, right? And we can able to return the function as a result. See, 60 is the maximum value. Okay, this is how we can able to work out using higher order functions. Okay, that's all for today's guys. If you, I hope you guys are understand. If you really like this video, please try to do the subscribe, like it and share it and do the comment.